Managing diverse software solutions daily is a significant challenge for social housing providers. At Arion, we can put you back in control with Arion Connect, an integration platform that truly connects the dots. By seamlessly linking your systems through pre-built connectors for third-party software, Arion Connect effortlessly streamlines your operations. Our platform simplifies the integration process and removes limitations by collaborating with industry-leading providers. This flexibility allows you to improve data processing and achieve ultimate efficiency quickly. With Arion Connect, you're not just investing in a solution for today, you're laying a strong foundation for the future. Transform your operations and unify your digital ecosystem today with Arion Connect.